video we are going to be making cloud slime. This is the most amazing slime like ever. So I want to give a shout out to Taylor and Gigi's DIYs because they requested this video, so yeah. By the way, I wanted to say I have a very special announcement. Drum roll please. I have reached 50 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I love you guys so much. I'm halfway to 100. I'm so excited. So for this slime, you're gonna need some instant snow. If you don't know where to buy instant snow, I bought mine on Amazon and I'll leave the link down below. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. And before we get on to the video, remember to hit that red subscribe button. And if you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So first we're gonna start off with some Elmer's glue. Now we're gonna add a little bit of shaving cream, but not too much shaving cream. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my food coloring. I'm doing 2 drops of blue. So now we're gonna go ahead and add in our activator. And it's okay if you over borax the slime because we are going to over borax it because when we add the instant snow, it will soften the slime a lot. So I've added a lot of activator to this and this is still really stretchy. It's a good slime, but again, we are going to over borax this, so we're going to add a lot more activator. So we are getting really close. It's not as stretchy anymore, so keep adding more borax. So we have over-activated the slime a lot. It doesn't stretch at all, and that's a good thing. The reason why we over-activated the slime is because the instant snow is going to turn the slime really soft. If you don't over-activate it, the slime will turn into water and it'll become really gross. Okay, time to activate our instant snow. Watch how much this little itty bitty scoop makes. Okay, that is so cool. Now we can go ahead and add our fake snow into our slime. This will be really hard to work in the snow at first because it's over borax, but it'll eventually soak up. And just so you know, don't add any more activator after you add the instant snow because it will make the slime really watery. As you can see, the snow is already softening up the slime a lot. It isn't ready yet, so I'm going to keep adding more snow. Okay, this is getting really soft and really stretchy, but I think I'm just gonna hydrate a little bit more instant snow because it's not quite ready. Alright, this is all ready. This is the most amazing slime. Look what happens when you stretch it. It gets all stringy and this is just so amazing and satisfying. I can't describe the texture, it's just so amazing. This is so soft. Just look at that drizzle. This is so fluffy and amazing. This is so incredibly soft. I literally feel like I'm touching a cloud. Oh my goodness, I love this slime so much. Just look at that drizzle. It's just like amazing. You guys have to try this. So I don't know what to do for next week's video, so comment down below if you would rather have me do testing out different glues to make which one makes a better slime, or do like a DIY with clay, like having to do something with clay. Comment down below which one would you rather see. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, be sure to give this video a big thumb up video. Am I speaking English? And if you want to see more videos from me, remember to hit that red subscribe button and have a great day. Bye!